Hello! Come and unbox with me my April doTERRA essential oils order. Let's begin. First of all, I got my veggie caps. Veggie caps, I really needed them. There are certain oils that I've been ingesting, but I'm a very sensitive person in terms of flavors. So I decided I would better get the capsules. Capsules work better for me. I ordered Aroma Touch since I'm currently going through the certification. Lemongrass, I've been wanting to try this oil for the longest, and there's a recipe that I'm planning to do on a roller along. Oh, this is Purify. Purify was the oil of the month. This one, Deep Blue, also was missing for my Aroma Touch technique that I'm currently studying. Those two, Stronger and Calmer, we had run out of them, and it's just like a staple for my children. They love them. The Stronger keeps their immune system strong. Calmer gives them a restful sleep at night. This one is Cypress. Cypress is the one that I want to try with lemongrass and bergamot as well in a roller. Thank you for watching. These are my social media handles. If you want to reach out, I'll be glad to hear from you. Let me know if you want to begin your doTERRA journey. I'll be glad to help. I'll see you there.